Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to draw a really cute rainbow.
Yeah, that's right. So all you need is something to draw with, like a marker or pen, some paper, and something to colour in with.
Yeah.
So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and we're going to draw two little clouds and then a rainbow joining the two clouds together. So let's just draw one cloud on this side here, and basically it's just a bunch of little bumps or semicircles.
Bump.
You can make it any shape or size you want.
And then do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah, let's do the same thing on the other side.
Bump.
There we go. Nice and easy.
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome. Alright, and I think we can draw some faces on the clouds.
Faces.
Yeah, so you can draw any face, maybe you can draw the same face or you can draw different faces. It's up to you. But, so let's draw some eyes. Nice big round eyes. Like that. And I'm going to draw a big smile on it as well. Now with the eyes, lots of different ways to do that. What I like to do is add another little circle in there and then colour it in so it looks like it's a bit of a highlight on the eyes. Here we go.
And I put it a little too sticky now.
That is really cool. Okay, and then we can do another face on the other side as well. Again, you can do it the same or you can do a little different. I'm going to make mine, this one with its eyes closed. So you just do an upside down U or semicircle. Maybe just on here, I'll give it some lashes as well. Yeah, and then draw another big smiley mouth. So I'm going to make the mouth open a little bit and draw a little tongue in there. So really up to you. Or you can do it one eye like that.
I made an alien cloud.
An alien cloud, that's awesome. Okay, all right, so now we're going to draw a little cloud that's going to join the two together. So we're going to start with, on the bottom here, we're going to do a bit of an arch shape there. Yep.
Half a circle.
Yeah, that's right. And then we're going to do another one on the top there as well.
Just like this.
Yeah, just like that. So that's the rainbow. And then inside it we can draw
lines.
Other lines as well. And you can divide it up. And it depends on how many colours you want. Some people draw rainbows with maybe 4 colours or 6 or 7. But yeah, normally it's got 6 or 7. So yeah, so we can draw... to divide that up, just draw another line in the middle, like that, yeah, and then you can just draw another one. So depending on how many colours you want on the rainbow is how many lines you are going to draw.
I'm going to put an extra line here.
Yep. There we go. Alright, so that's our drawing done.
Yep.
Next part is to
Colour in. And we're back.
Yeah, we finished colouring in. I've done mine traditional rainbow colours, you know, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then indigo, violet or purple. Yep. And tell me, what have you done with yours?
I put an alien cloud with some alien antennas, and also I put the alien cloud green, and also I put a heart in the middle, and also I put half of it a different color.
Yeah, that's really cool. So you can do it whatever way you like. You just use your imagination, do the most awesome things. I think that's amazing drawing. Well done. Thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our other channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy. But we'll see you again next time.
Bye. Bye.